Wait, what? Whoa, that's a bad video. Guys, you wanna come see this?
Hey, look, it's a door here.
Fine.
Like I want to play with you.
No, go back over there.
Lennon, you want to do this one?
So when it touches you, you'll be like,
Yes, I love the flowers.
okay?
Yeah. You want some flowers?
Hang on, sorry.
Action.
What the flowers? Nothing. Thank you.
Ninja Cupid saves the day again!
I'll sit on my lap.
We're gonna get all the
Mommy.
kids.
Sit next to Mommy.
And then
Okay, so first we do all the smiling.
let's not spread out.
We need to get closer.
Yeah.
Smushing each other.
And then
This
Lennon will
happens
go with
when you
Emma.
try to put a bunch of kids together for
Look at how
Valentine's and
flowers.
try to do a photo shoot. Hi, Lennon. Lennon.
say hi, Lennon.
Everyone, hello world.
Okay, now everyone do a cool
No, she
expression.
wants to match.
Oh, there you go.
I want to stand right here.
Ready, everyone smile. Smile. Let it bubble.
We are in Kansas. Welcome to Kansas. Our trip keep on going. It's Monday morning and we are in a cool place. Where are we, Mommy?
Cosimo and Emma took us here. You have to ask them.
We are doing a road trip coming back from Illinois. We ski and we went to visit our friend. And on the way back to Arizona, we're gonna see a cool place because Cosimo and Emma find out
It's a museum.
about this place and apparently it's really cool. So
A haunted house.
It is cool.
we don't
is a
know.
haunted
We
house.
don't know yet.
We're not entirely sure.
We drove, me and Mommy, for 17 hours straight to get here. This is what you have outside in the parking lot. Just a taste. A giant spider. It's big. It's really big.
Do not climb on the spider.
So we have a wolf.
Because it's Meow Wolf.
Oh, what is that? Let's see. Let's go there.
It's not open yet.
This place called Meow Wolf. So what is that, guys?
It's the house of eternal returns.
Isn't it Returnal
We're
not
haunted
Return?
No,
house
eternal
inside.
returns.
That doesn't make any sense.
It
There's
does.
a haunted house inside of it.
It's not a
It's
haunted
not a
house.
haunted house.
Yes, it is.
How do you know?
Because see the doors lead to haunted house.
There's a mystery inside of it. That's what.
We've been driving for days, sleeping away in the sun.
So, but what is this place? Can you explain a little
Oh,
bit?
have you ever been to Las Vegas? And there's this cool place. It's called Mega Mart. They have all these weird things at the store. And they have 4 other places that's like the same thing, but they're all a little bit different. So we came to the one in New Mexico, Santa Fe. It's called Meow Wolf. We're not entirely sure, but apparently there's this girl who lost her family, and we have to find, I don't know.
But this is the original one, right? It's the one that they make first.
Maybe?
No, they made the first one in Vegas.
No. What's going on, Emma? Did you find out?
So Meow Wolf was founded in 2008.
Okay.
And it's an art installation that's interactive. And this is the first one.
I was
You
right.
just heard Mom say it.
I read about it. But
No,
go
you
ahead.
didn't.
Go ahead. Yes, I did.
Then they made the one in Las Vegas, and then they made the one in Denver. So yeah, this is the first one. Let's go see. In an hour because we're really early.
Oh wow.
It's a robot with a flower.
Oh my gosh, this is huge. Wow. Look at that. Cosimo underneath.
On his butt.
The foot is bigger than you.
No.
it starts. Let's go.
It's cool. The sailing pastor family released the anomaly into the world. They are back row from the left to right. Piper and Nicola. Nicola Pastor. Parents are twins. Parents twins Morgan and Lex.
Wait, so them?
No, these two. These are the
No,
twins.
the back row from left to right.
Oh.
I thought it had to go there.
It's changing color. Look, it changes color. And you sit in a different
Okay, these
spot.
are just all sympathy cards.
See, it changes color.
We're always watching.
Come on.
Always
Look,
watching.
guys, look.
What?
Come here, come here. Let's go.
Follow me. I got way out, guys.
Yeah, see how this works.
Guys, follow me. A disco ball.
No way.
Luca. Get scared.
Come on, let's get out of here.
Seems like a normal kitchen with a normal fridge. But where does this fridge go? Where are you going, Luca? Are you getting some yogurt?
You open the fridge.
You already went in here without us.
Look how cool.
Let me tell you guys went here.
It's a portal.
Proceed to portal number 3.
Where's portal number?
You are okay. You are okay.
Oh my gosh, really? Oh, it's a slide. It looks like a slide.
Oh my god.
Guys, are we
This is the dryer. Mom, you gotta come through the dryer.
Oh, there you are.
Come through. Look, there's all clothes around here. This is where I came from. The dryer. Who was that creepy dog in there? Look at this thing.
Oh.
Wait, what? Whoa, that's a bad idea. Guys, you wanna come see this?
It opens the door here.
Fine. It moves with it.
Oh, I'll move that aside. There should be more, because there's 2 more layers. Oh, here's another one.
There. Emma, look at the blankets. Look at these ones.
But we still don't know what happened to his family.
Well, we are running through everything, so I have a feeling we'll never find out.
Come, Luca.
Ooh, buttons.
No, that's not how it works.
Oh.
Wait, stop.
Look, I'll show you.
Let's see, how do we take a photo all together?
Have you seen him? Also, who lives in this big house? At first, we thought something happened to Gordon and Carmen's house because a lot of the rooms and stuff look like the same, but not those. And those are Carmen's pictures. Mom said that.
Let me just open my closet.
Look at all these clothes.
Why are you so a man in my closet?
This is cool. Oh, wait, what's the problem with
Some
the
random
toilet?
guy that I'm
There's
telling
a
you.
piano in your closet. Piano.
No, you have to come here. Dad, there's a secret room. Oh,
I knew it.
oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Hide. No way.
Oh, Nima already came in here. Watch this door.
Whoa.
Push. Look, this way. Emma, look.
Whoa.
Come here, look. Age 40. Okay, that's the door.
We made it out. It was pretty awesome. We all have, I think, different opinions about it. For me, it was fun, although it does get a little overwhelming, and there's so much to see everywhere that at one point you can't follow the clues because there's too much cool stuff, too much artsy stuff that the clues are just the last thing in our minds. I think you need to come back more than once to actually appreciate that.
It's really strong stimulation of all the senses because you can smell, you can play, the sound, the look and the visual, the color. It was intense. and I'm glad that we came when we decided to arrive because there was not many people. Sometimes when all this stimulation in the enclosed space with all the people together, it's a little bit too much.
I thought it was really cool.
Oh, I see you walked out with an eye.
An extra eyeball. I think the favorite thing was we found like the fridge, going in the fridge,
the
and there was
fridge,
like
yeah.
the portals everywhere. And my other favorite thing was me and Luca found this little like tree trunk that you would play this thing where you would turn it and it would like get bigger and smaller, this circle, and it would like move around. It was really cool. That.
What about you, Emma?
I actually, you know what I like?
Of course, there it goes down.
Sorry, I like the fireplace when we went inside,
that you crawl inside.
and I like the dryer.
Oh yes, it was a slide. What about you, Emma?
Dryer's cool.
I thought it was really cool. At one point we saw everything, so let's say for a family, I don't think you could probably do the clue thing because we all were kind of like Mom said, we were all going everywhere.
Yeah.
Like, oh, let's go here, let's go there, let's go back there. So yeah, but my favorite part of I'm not sure.
A little bit of everything, maybe.
Yeah.
Luca, what did you like about it?
I don't like it that much more.
Okay, everyone, I think I like the fridge.
Luca.
Okay, Luca, what was your favorite part? Oh, okay, no sandwich for Luca then. Can you just tell us?
You forgot?
Since Luca is tired now because he was so busy playing the whole time, I'm gonna say that Luca liked everything because he couldn't stop running around. Oh, he didn't like everything. He just liked most of it. Okay, now Luca's grumpy. Goodbye. from the 5 World Explorers.
And look at back here, I'm saying bye-bye.